Hello, 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 hello. It's another video, and this is for drinking, solving drink, or yeah, what we will do for our drinks. Okay, our family. First of all, we don't drink coffee or tea, but we like hot chocolate. Okay. So I bought these containers are $1.98 at Walmart when I bought them. I bought tons of them. I still need more, but they don't have any more. And I put the case, you know, the box of Swiss Miss hot milk chocolate. I put the whole case in it. It fits in one of these bins. It doesn't give me how many, but they look like this. They're not the big ones. And so that's what I do. Okay. And then someone told, because I watch a lot of other videos just in case I miss something. Someone said that they use condensed milk for the kids' cereal. So I do have condensed milk and evaporated milk. Or they use condensed milk. You can use condensed milk, evaporated milk, or dry milk. Okay, I have not used any of these, so I cannot tell you what they taste like, okay? But I do keep these in my food storage. I believe I have 6 of these condensed milk cans. And then I have about 14 of these. And then a couple bags of these. Okay, I bake a lot, so I do use these, and that's why they're in my food storage. But if it comes down to it, I will try it. But because I have autistic kids, you cannot give them this. I guess they have to be starving for them to eat it. So, and I'm not a big cereal eater too. So, yeah. So those are in my food storage. And then I also have this. This, I have about a case. And then this, I have a half a case of this. So I don't keep a lot of these drinks. I should buy more. But whatever my budget allows, that's when I get them. And I think, okay, maybe we need to buy this. It's not a must. And then also, water. Okay, remember, when you're putting water into storage, you make sure that you're rotating them. And what the use of the water is for, or what are you going to use the water for? Yeah, that's right. So I do keep a few cases of these. We've had it for years because I use these for my kids' lunches for school. I have 2 autistic boys. So instead of sending them, you know, pre-made drinks or whatever, or a cup, because they're autistic, they're not the, you know, I'm just afraid of germs and all that stuff. So I just have them take their drinks and then put it in the recycle bin. So they know what a recycle bin looks like because we have one. And so, so I have this size, and then I have the 5-gallon size. I don't have a lot of the 5-gallon, but I wish I have, because in case of an emergency. And then I do have, I think, 4 of the 5 gallons that I need to rotate. So I'm going to use it for my washing. But so if you're using those 5-gallon ones, make sure that you get something to pump the water out of the 5-gallon, unless you're willing to keep pouring out every time you use it. So yeah. But we did have you know, those dispensed water filter. We did order another one. We were supposed to be getting one because for some reason people say it's easier. I don't know. But we're just getting 2 a month. But we do drink a lot of water here. So water, okay, so make sure that you have water, because water, like water, you use this for washing your clothes, washing your dishes, showering, and drinking. So Yeah, on the church. Like I said, it's the church website. It's 5 gallon per person per day for the water, if you're storing water. But I believe that you should always store water, though, at least 2 weeks worth of water. I do not have 2 weeks, and it's something that we're working on, okay? But I always have to make sure that we have a couple days, because there's been did we have a water problem? For some reason, I think there was a time when they said we couldn't drink the water out of the faucet because it was contaminated with something. I think somebody overpour whatever, the chlorine or whatever they put in the water. Yeah, but we don't drink the water out of our faucet. We did. And then we stopped getting filtered water. Don't ask me why, but that's what we drink. And, oh yeah, talk about filtered water. This is the filtered water that we are using right now, which it works really fine with for us. So what I do, if you want to do this and you have a big family, I have it filtered through here. I bought this from Costco. This is a Kirkland brand, and it was $24.99, and it came with 3 filters. And then I bought extra filters, which was 10 packet, and I think it was like $19.99. Yeah, and this was about a year ago. Yeah, about a year ago when I bought this. So what I do, I filter it through here, and I keep this clean, and I just pour that in there, and everybody just drink out of this one. So I always make sure that we have enough water in the refrigerator. But we are trying to get back to the other kind of filter water, the one that they deliver, because we just want to filter water like that. So that's what we do for water right now. And then you can get tired of water. So I bought this a month or 2 ago just to add to the water in case, you know, something happens. But I used to buy a lot of these when the kids were younger, and I realized how unhealthy I was doing this. So this is a treat for our family. I do have these. I like the packet. The packet seems to last longer. These change flavors. You know, my theory is if it doesn't look bad, taste bad, or smell bad, just use it. I've survived. I still have these. These are from 2016. They taste a little different, but oh well. We still live. Yeah. But those are some of the things that if you're looking at what you're gonna do with water wise, they have those, I guess they call it collapsible water containers, the one that you can fold. I saw it on I think it's smart.com that they have it. I do not work for any of these companies, just keep that in mind. And so I wanted to buy some. I don't have it. I haven't bought it yet. I think they're $12.99 a bag. It holds 5 gallons of water. I like those because the minute you use them, you can just fold it up and put it away. That's what I like. But right now it's out of my budget. So that's the video for now, and thank you for watching. You have a great day or a great week. Until Fase Full.